नमस्कार दोस्तों एवं मैं मेरे प्रिय साथियों। आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार और स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि मैं आईआईटी मंडी से पीएचडी कर रहा हूं और अब ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल से अधिक का समय हो चुका है और इससे पहले मुझे जो है 10 साल से अधिक का जो है टीचिंग अनुभव है, जो कि मैंने प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में, जो कि आरटीयू राजस्थान टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी से एफिलेटेड थे और दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटी डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम टेक्निकल यूनिवर्सिटी से एफिलेटेड थे। तो कुल मिला के मुझे काफ़ी टीचिंग का अनुभव है। लगभग आप 10 साल से अधिक का कह सकते हैं और उसके अलावा रिसर्च का एक्सपीरियंस है। तो आज हम जिस विषय पर बात करना चाह रहे हैं आपसे, वो बहुत ही सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करने वाला है। बिकॉज इस विषय पे मैं आपसे वार्तालाप करता रहा हूँ और जो है वीडियो के माध्यम से आपको नॉलेज शेयर करता रहा हूँ। तो उसी सीरीज को आगे करते हुए आज हम जो है अपना स्क्रीन को शेयर करते हैं। तो आप लोग मेरी स्क्रीन को देख पा रहे होंगे। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। जो आज का जिस टॉपिक हमको डिस्कशन करना है, दिस इज द सेशन ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अपडेट्स, session on electronics updates, where you will see the updates from the Electronics for You magazine, because I am an avid reader of this magazine. And today is Engineers Day as well. Today is 15th September. So you are watching this video on 15th September, or you will watch after 15th September because it is a recorded video. So let's move on to our discussion. This is the magazine of the September issue, and it is a very nice magazine. So let me take out the points that I will discuss today. First of all, Happy Engineers Day to all. So it is Winslow Cell, since 1987, global leader in portable power solutions. So this is the advertisement of this Winslow Cell since 1987. So it is a cell manufacturing company, cell or the battery manufacturing company, and you can take the content from here. Now moving on to this is the index of this particular magazine. This is the index of this particular magazine. So I will take on one by one the articles. This is now what is the article says that carbon fiber sensor revolutionize infrastructure. So it is interesting. Carbon fiber means graphene fiber also. Also, it means graphene fiber as well. So the carbon fiber sensor revolutionize infrastructure. So they are focusing on infrastructure. What is the article says that a UNIS research team has revolutionized traffic monitoring with advanced carbon fiber composite sensor. These sensors provide real-time traffic and condition data while stranding structures. So they're talking about the strength of the fibers, which is based on the sensor, and they're facilitating traffic monitoring, accident detection, and production by tracking vehicles. So they are placing different types of sensors on the roads so that they can predict the analysis of the traffic or the vehicle movement. With that, the driver or the electromotive system of the car will get the feedback based on the data collected from the sensor. So that's why they will have this particular scenario. So that's why carbon fiber sensor revolutionize infrastructure. So they are helping in the infrastructure with the help of tracking vehicle position, speed, acceleration. Experiment showed that FRP made of carbon fiber. So it is interesting. You can read more about it. Now look on to the next article. Micro crack free polymer battery extends lifespan. So it is interesting. Why it is interesting? Because it is extending the lifespan of some battery. How? Let me read it. Research at University of Hong Kong have developed a new lithium metal batteries with micro crack free polymer electrolytes. These electrolytes offered extended lifespan safety and high electrochemical stability up to 5 volt. So this is something very interesting. Research at University of Hong Kong have developed new lithium batteries which with micro crack free polymer electrolyte. So they have developed a lithium battery which are having polymer electrolyte, and it will go up to 5 volt, and it has a conductivity of 3.7 into 10 to the power minus 5 Siemens per centimeter at high temperature. So this is an interesting article. Let me highlight so that you can read more about it. This is an interesting article. This is highlighted over. Now, moving on to the next topic. What is this ad? This ad is of First Home, expert in MILF register. First Home insight quality, reliability, cost down, why innovation. So they are building register. These are the MILF register where homes comes first. So they are more focused toward registry. So you can buy the register from this particular company, which is known as First Home, and it is a registered company with the government of India or wherever this company is from. Now, taking on to the next article. EV fast charging cybersecurity risk exposed. Okay, this is done. The fast charging risk, there have been risk at the fast charging, which has been exposed. How they have exposed, let me read it. Southwest Research Institute engineers have found cybersecurity vulnerability in electric vehicles using direct current fast charging system. So if we are charging the battery with a fast charging method, which is direct with the help of the direct current, then this high voltage technology uses power line communication PLC to transmit smart grid data. SWRA predicted PLC vulnerabilities. So they have to find out that they identify network membership keys enabling device to join the network and monitor traffic. So how they are protecting them? They need some network membership or the key so that only the enabled devices should be connected to the battery chargers while charging. Not enabled devices should not be checked because otherwise there will be have a cyber security risk. So it is a great research done by the Southwest Research Institute, which is quoted in this magazine, The Electronics Fortune. Now, coming on to the next topic, magnetic tunnel device cuts AI energy use. Okay, this is, and first 10 stacks 3D transistors for compact devices. Research at King Abdullah University of Science and Technology, COST, have developed three-dimensional 3D integrated transistors that can be vertically stacked. So you can also read more about it. Let me take one more article. New product 80, Opta. What is Opta? Opta is a ergonomic stereo microscopic designed to enhance your inspection. So it is a microscope that will help in your inspection. Okay. So you can have a look at this oscilloscope with the website at Opta. Okay, so this is also interesting. Now, okay, this is done. Now, let me talk something about the sensors. So that I will take, okay, take one more article. Flexible electronic waste electromaterial reduces e-waste. Flexible electronic material reduces e-waste. Okay, so this is interesting. First of all, why it is interesting? Because e-waste are created more and more by the many electronics equipment which are not is used. So how research at MIT, the University of Utah, and Meta have developed a flexible substrate material that enhance recyclability and enhance scalable manufacturing of complex multi-layered circuit, unlike the commonly used Kapton, which is challenging to reproduce due to its high heat tolerance. The new polyimide-based material cures rapidly at room temperature. So this innovation simplifies the manufacturing process and allows for the recovery of the materials like precious metal microchips. So they have reduced the e-waste. So I think that's enough for today in this segment of the session on electronic updates. I'm stopping my screen over here. And let me discuss a few things of my research that I'm going on. I'm working on digital smell. So things which are under copyright, I will not share, but things that are not under copyright, I can share something to you that even I have written two papers. So they are, one is accepted and other is in the process. So what the point of discussion of my research is that suppose if you are using a mobile phone, if you are using a mobile phone and you are sending a flower or any photo of a biryani or a paneer vegetable, then it will be transmitted in the form of snap to the other end. However, at present, no technology is able to present. However, there are some technology which is enabling the puffing of the out of the smell of any equipments. But what we will do, we will transmit the image of the flour or the vegetable biryani or the paneer vegetable or any other equipments or any other substance. Then the photo of that particular substance will be transmitted to the other end. Now, at the other end, you will see the smell of that particular substance or the that you have transmitted. Suppose if you have transmitted the rose flower photo to the other end, the smell of the rose flower will be realized by your nose, which will be enabled with the help of the technology, which are integrating with the help of the electronic nose and puffing out of the smell with the two systems. So these are the things, and we are also developing uh, a group of sensors which can identify various smells in this particular database. So these are the things I'm working on, and at present we are on the TRL 2, and the things which are under copyright I cannot share, but yes, we are working on. We are achieving some targets. One paper is accepted, and other is in the process. And yes, what else? What else we are working? So as soon as updates will come, I will update with my YouTube channel. And yes, keep on watching the YouTube channel. You will get a lot of updates about the electronics and this session on electronic circuits. And yes, I'm an expert of sensor. I cannot say expert of sensor, but yes, I am a student of sensor, which is a part of electronics under the and electronics is a derived branch from electrical engineering. And electrical engineering is also, people say that it is generated from computer science. And computer science is a part of a science which is generated from maths. So we all are a student of science. And at some point of time, we can become a teacher, we can become an engineer, we can become a philosopher, we can become a politician as well. It depends upon on our choice and thinking that what we need to achieve and what we need to do in the right place and the right direction. So thanks for watching this particular video. I hope you like this video as a session on electronic updates. Thank you, friends.